Hello everyone, I'm Lady Morgana and welcome to my channel. In this video I will be talking about the flat earth theory and I will present to you why the earth can't be flat. This is my perspective on the whole flat earth controversy. Let's get started. The earth isn't flat. This presumably doesn't come as news to you, and why should it? Earth's roughly spherical nature has been known about since the time of the ancient Greeks. It's bewildering, then, to see various celebrities declaring online that Earth is indeed flat, claiming that NASA has been keeping this secret from us for decades. So, what exactly is going on here? This topic has nothing to do with the Mandela effect. Because that is totally a different topic and not the same thing. However, certain people will tell you otherwise. But I guess one can argue that it still falls under conspiracy theories. Unfortunately, the Flat Earth Society people, which hopefully are few, believe NASA has been lying to us about the Earth and that what was mentioned in the Bible about the Earth being flat, is true. Now, don't get me wrong. If people want to believe that the Earth is flat, that's up to them, but since scientifically it has been proven it is indeed round, the Flat Earth Society is in the minority. However, just the other day while heading home down the 60 freeway, hanging from one of the overpasses, was a handmade sign that read, YouTube Flat Earth. I was floored to see that someone is advertising such nonsense. The Flat Earth Society. This organization, founded in the 19th century, claims to know the truth about our planet, and regards scientists as witch doctors pulling off a gigantic hoax. In 2010, its president said that he accepts the science of both man-made climate change and evolution. But when it comes to Earth, he's convinced it's flat. The Society's members, who also believe that the Sun and Moon are just 4,800 kilometers, 3,000 miles, above us, have never quite explained the motives behind a huge conspiracy theory to hide the fact that Earth is flat. Who would benefit from such a comprehensive cover-up? To be honest, people are drawn to conspiracy theories, and the internet has only helped to accelerate their spread. They give certain people a sense of security, control, that they haven't found in the natural world around them. By only conversing with others that agree with them in echo chamber, any opposing views are filtered out, and they become increasingly entrenched in their own views. Well, perhaps this is what drives contemporary flat Earth believers into believing that the Earth is flat. Much like the Trump supporters, who don't want to read or hear facts presented to them. They believe everything is fake news if it's against Trump. Right? So, who is the first person to suggest that the Earth is round? A Greek astronomer by the name of Eratosthenes, clearly showed Earth was round just over 2,000 years ago. He realized that rays of sunlight are hitting Earth at the same degree, but because Earth has a curvature, the length of shadows at different locations across Earth aren't the same. By calculating the shadow length change between two cities, Alexandria and Syene, he gave an estimate for the circumference of the Earth, 46,620 kilometers, 28,970 miles, which is only 16% larger than the actual value. Flat Earth believers often say that access to Antarctica is restricted for our own safety. If we crossed over this icy ring around the edge of the flat disk, we'd fall off into space. Of course, humanity has circumnavigated the globe plenty of times, and no one's fallen off into infinite darkness just yet. More proof? We also have seasons and ice ages. The amount of sunlight hitting parts of the planet changes from season to season, from icehouse world to greenhouse, and this is entirely dependent on the degree of tilt a spherical Earth has with respect to the Sun. In conclusion, the people who believe the Earth flat may have flunked science and history class. Or they may have been raised to believe in creationism. In this day and age, why are people even having this discussion? Right? Nevertheless, those of us who are not scientists or astronomers can't see the Earth from space and probably never will be. We can't prove or disprove that the Earth is flat or round. If you're a flat Earth believer, this is what I say. I guess whatever floats your boat. You want to believe the Earth is flat, well, that's your business. Well, my next video will be in a few weeks. I'm going to squeeze in 3 topics in one video. They will be about politics, health and beauty. Stay safe and be blessed.